Okay, so let's have a look at December then for 2017. So buildings depreciation charge is for 2% of book value. The depreciation charge is we calculate from the date of valuation and the date of purchase. Total depreciation charge for vehicles for the year is 8,000. So vehicles is easy enough to do. So we go to our vehicles. We go minus 8,000. And that's also going to affect your profit and loss. So we see a few in there already from previous adjustments. So that's okay. So our profit and loss is always going to go down as well. So up here then we know we've got we revalued our land to 800,000 in January. Then in February then we bought more land of 1,800. So of that land that we revalued, there's a proportion of it to, or of our buildings that we revalued, there's a proportion to land, which is 1,100. So we need to reduce the 1,100 from the 800,000, find 2% of it, and then we also need to use this 180,000 then as well, and calculate the depreciation on that. So if we reduce the land from the buildings, we get 690,000. 2% of that is 13,800. And then because we bought the new land in February, we only need to calculate on 11/12. So 180,000, which is taken on the question, multiplied by 2%, multiplied by 11/12 will give you 3,300. So the depreciation is going to be 17,100. So we put that into our land and buildings, 17,100 for depreciation. So minus 17,100. And then we also put that into our bank then as well. And then we do our calculation then. See what the value of our assets are. So remember this 6,300 from the rent received, that's prepaid into our bank account, so we owe it back to the company. So it's going to give us minus 25,100 and minus 25,110 for December. Next thing we do is just add up the rows going across and make sure that our assets equals our liabilities. Some of these will be fairly straightforward. Some of them you'll have to. So if you see like your debt was just 2 figures in for August, just remember to include the 2 figures in that. So if you just add up the totals for your assets and add up the totals for your liabilities, you should get the following figures. So your assets should be 1,236,099. So you're going to pause that for yourself just to get the figures. And then it's the same then for your liabilities, 1,269,099.